Yeah, so today we're fortunate enough to have a game in the Principality Stadium, the capital stadium of Wales. The girls have worked really hard across the season to get this opportunity. So they're playing in the Welsh schools and colleges finals, and yeah, they're looking forward to a competitive game and looking forward to taking the field and real enjoyable experience for them.
My name is Rygbi and I study Level 3 Extended Diploma in Sport and Coaching at Coleg, and I also captain. So Rygbi College, we played them last year. They have got some strong players, some to look out for, but they'll be up for a fight. So
the Female Rugby Academy competes in the ACE National League, multiple competitions throughout the year. Our normal week looks like 3 S&C sessions a week, 2 main team sessions and 2 one-to-one skill sessions within that as well. So if you're looking to be part of a programme which is fantastic academically and also looking for the benefits of being a rugby player, then Coleg is certainly a good choice.
The feeling is unreal, is unexplainable. Just, you know, credit to Rygbi girls. They give us a battle on the field today, and unlucky that they didn't come out with a win. But every single person that stood on that pitch deserved it earlier, and I'm proud of everyone.
It was a hard battle to start with, but the girls dug deep and it came down to who wanted it more, and at the end of the day, us Gwent girls, we all come together. We weren't ready to finish our journey where some of us started, so now we've set the platform for the year ones and we're going to be here next year as well. Feeling mixed emotions at the minute, very happy for the girls, but quite it's bittersweet because this is the end of my journey with Coleg Gwent, but it's been a pleasure to be part of it, and to captain the team throughout the season was absolutely amazing.